I'm Joey Sanchez, Marketing and PR Specialist with EIZO Technologies here at RSNA 2010. Just want to take you on a booth tour here. We'll start off here with our Radiforce product lineup. These are our Radiforce surgical monitors. They come in different sizes. Basically our 47-inch here, 56-inch, and then we have a 30-inch on the end. What these products are mainly used for is OR solutions, where we're trying to replace multiple monitor configurations in OR situations, so that way you have a more consistent look on one monitor as opposed to trying to fit in about 6 monitors in your OR. That gives you a lot better color consistency. You have a much better stability over time with these monitors as well. We do a lot of our own chip circuitry. EIZO is all about research and development, and we basically manufacture all of the monitors that you're going to see here today in the booth. We have 2 manufacturing facilities, one out of Japan and one out of Germany. We are showcasing these monitors, which are out of our German factory today. So some of the touch panel solutions that we're showcasing here are actually to configure some of the large format monitors that you see here. You're able to control the configurations at the touch of a button. You're able to configure these monitors several different ways, and it actually has a monitor manager that actually will allow for 27 different inputs to come into the monitor. So basically all of your OR features and all of the different inputs that would come into your surgical OR are all controlled by these small devices that you see here. Here we're also showing some surgical monitors as well, some of our smaller format monitors. These are mainly used for ultrasound endoscopic applications where color is very critical. We have a great adjustment on most of these monitors here, one-touch rotary dial adjustment, so they're perfect and great color reproduction, very, very stable products as well. These are also surgical monitors that we manufacture out of our German factory. The main difference between these is these are smaller 19-inch monitors. We have them in a color and monochrome solution. They are monitors that have a force mode that actually will jump onto the frequency of a computer system very, very easily and quickly without a lot of adjustment necessary. We also offer monitors that are clinical review. There's been a lot of controversy back and forth with regards to what type of monitors are good enough for diagnostic quality. We also have a diagnostic line. This is our clinical review line. This is going to be a lot more comparable to your standard off-the-shelf type monitors. These monitors are good for use as your work list monitors. They also do DICOM 14 compliant monochrome and color imaging. So we're able to see a lot of referencing on these monitors as well. So this is our Radiforce MX lineup, and it's specifically used for clinical review. Our diagnostic monitors have actually been the staple of our Radiforce lineup. Here we're introducing our brand new RX 430 monitor. It's actually a 4 megapixel monitor that basically takes the place of two megapixel monitors without the center bezel being there. The unique feature about this monitor is that you can do both color and grayscale imaging on the same monitor, and it will take to their native 2.2 gamma on the color side and the DICOM 14 compliancy on the monochrome. And it will automatically tune in to find out what section of the monitor is grayscale and which section of the monitor is color. Here we have our 3 megapixel lineup. Our GX 320 is our monochrome monitor and our RX 320 is our color. What we're trying to show here is a side-by-side comparison of how bright our color monitors can get when compared to some of our monochrome images. You can do both color and grayscale on these RX 320 monitors. It's kind of become our little flagship product and become one of the best sellers on our Radiforce lineup. Lastly, we're going to take you through our digital mammography monitors. They're all 5 megapixel or higher, which is required for mammography. Here we have our GS 521, which is our staple product currently available. Very, very great color rendition, very, very high resolution, very fine pixel point. This is one of the common workstation, what they look like, 2 5 megapixels and a work list monitor there. Here we're showing our RS210, which is one of our color 21-inch monitors, also available in diagnostic. All of our monitors do landscape and portrait mode, so here we obviously are showing one in landscape and the other 2 in portrait mode. So Our GX530 is our next generation of 5 megapixel monitors. It's actually the brightest 5 megapixel monitor that we've had to date. Because of this increased brightness, we're actually able to offer the longest warranty that we've ever been able to offer, and we actually guarantee the monitor up to 40,000 hours. So this is our brand new GX530. This is our GX1030, our flagship 10 megapixel monitor as well. It's actually two 5 megapixel monitors here without the center bezel. It makes for a much more consistent look from corner to corner, and there's no distraction with a center bezel. So you're able to compare radiological images a lot easier. Very high increased brightness on these monitors as well as a high contrast ratio. And these hopefully will be shipping in 2011. Thanks for taking a tour of the EIZO booth at RSNA 2010. For more information, you can visit us at www.radaforce.com. Thanks.